You might not be able to see it very well, but there's a blizzard outside, and the camera isn't picking it up, and the snow is coming down in like gigantic chunks, and it's super duper windy out. It's better out back. It's worse out back, but I can't really go out there. All of the flowers and lanterns are covered, and whoa, that was like a snow tornado. Oh, we have like 1.5 feet of snow so far. As it covered all of those. Those are like 1 foot tall. Over there, my tree is like getting covered. Our patio is terrible. So, yeah. It's snowing so much. Blizzard. The camera is not showing any snow. Why don't you show snow? No, stop focusing on the stupid window. Stop. Focus. Salt truck. There you go. Now you can see all the snow. That guy is a plow truck. Whoa. There's so much snow. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.